might be the death of me. Don't forget about me.
First go to Play Store and download ifake, then open it. Click the plus sign below, then click the new message edit. Now click that 3 dots and add user. Change the name to unknown, then add profile if you want. If you want to receive a text, make sure that unknown user is red. And if you want to send a text, click the U user before typing. Now that we're done, click the 3 dots on upper right corner and click check preview. Click this download icon to download the conversation. Now go to photos to crop every text. But first let's do our background. Click edit and draw I to erase the text only. Save it when you're done, then now crop every text like what I'm gonna do. When you're done, let's go to Funimate editing app. If you don't have it, I recommend it to download it. Click edit video, then add the gradient gray background. Adjust the clip to 13 seconds but add beat when you encounter this duration: 1.1 second, 2.8 seconds, and 4.1 seconds. Add image layer, then add the conversation backward and we edit. Go to keyframe, transform, then adjust the scale to edit the size of the layer. Now adjust its duration to 7.0 seconds. I'm gonna copy it then replace it with text we crop, so that I can't always adjust its duration one by one. Do the duplicate and replace thing, then adjust the position of the text like what I'm doing. Use mask to remove the white background of the text. It should be like this. Now click the first text, then go to transform. Position, add keyframe at start of the layer and another at the beat we added. While this first keyframe is red, move up the layer like this, then add graph. Now go to the 2 and text layer, add keyframe at the first beat, then add again at the second beat. Move up the position while the first KF is red, then add keyframe like what I added. Before the third text layer, let's add the audio we will listen.
Might be the death of me.
Now add KF at the 2 end beat, then add another at the 4th beat of the audio. Move up at the first keyframe, then add the graph. Click the 4th text, then add keyframe 005 and just remember the area of the second keyframe I'm gonna add. Now always move down at the first keyframe, then add graph. Put the line at the second KF, then go to the 5th text layer and add KF at the line. Then add another. Then move down at the first layer, then add graph. Do this again at the last text layer.
Might be the death of me.
Hold the first text, then move it in our conversation backward and to create a group. When we're done, go to keyframe, then add effect phone. Same placement of keyframe in position and scale. Just do what you want in position, but make sure that it has the same keyframe placement. Now go to phone effect, rotation X. Add the same graph every keyframes in between. Go to transform and do a little adjustment at the position, then add graph.
Might be the death of me. Might be the death of me. side of me. Don't forget.
Go back to the phone effect and let's add 3D light. Angle Y. Add KF at 004 and add another. Adjustment. 0 to negative 53 degree. Now add parent layer. Then select group layer as a child. Go to keyframe S and transform, add to keyframe each position. Then move it like this. Then add graph. Put the line between 00, 06 and 007. Then add video layer with 7.0 seconds duration. Go to keyframe, transform and adjust the scale to zoom it. Click the position, then add 2 keyframe like this, then hide the video upside left. Add graph. Click colorings, then go to quality, then add Q2. Click add effects, then add cross glitch. Now add glass shatter. Progress. Add KF at the start and before the 0008. 1 street KF 53. 2 and KF 0. Add again another glass shatter. Add KF at 010, 011, 012. Adjustment. KF 1 to 0, KF 2 to 31, KF 3 to 0. Detail. 54 type. Random thickness. 1 random seed. 20. Now let's finish this. Add ink spill. Type. Ink 4 progress. Add 2 kf at the end 1 to 0. Kf 2 to 100. Done.
Might be the death
Thank
of
you
me.
for watching.
Fear leads to it. Might be the death of me. Fear leads to anxiety.